if you have to adapt your solution to a certain client's needs, who should be doing the work? R&D or sales engineering or field engineering or solutions engineering? I would argue that it depends who is the best placed to make sure that this happens efficiently. So first, is this adaptation something that will affect all of your clients or a large chunk of your clients? Or is that something that is more specific to a few clients, maybe even just one? If that is the latter case, you probably want to have field engineering take care of it. You don't want to divert energy that is being spent on long-term projects that are going to pay off in the long run toward solving an immediate problem. R&D is very good at doing those kind of long-term projects, but field engineering can be very good at answering the spot needs, the immediate needs that the client has. Now, one thing that R&D can help field with is to provide in the product hooks that can be actually used by field in order to implement complementary solutions. So strategically place in the product where scripts can be run. Another factor to consider, how difficult is it to implement? If it needs to modify the binary somehow, then probably field is not going to be able to do it. If it's scriptable, on the other hand, field sales engineering could actually do this. It doesn't mean that it needs to be always command line though. For example, you could be using something like, I say, PySite 2, the Qt stuff with Python. That could actually give a nice finish to your field solutions, but field should be actually taking over that responsibility. Finally, maintainability. If that's something that is going to be incredibly complex, field and sales engineering are ill-equipped to just maintain something like this over the long run. That's something that R&D has to do. On the other hand, if it's something that is relatively simple, so maybe scripts again, what does it cost to have a GitHub account somewhere where different field engineers and sales engineers can contribute code? Not a lot, right? So those are just a few thoughts. Maybe that I'm missing a few points. If I did, please let me know in comment.